It's so dry.
If only we used bioremediation,
Bokashi.
and vermicast.
All these products that would have made the earth a better place.
Don't let this be your future. Hi, my name is Andy. I'm the president of W.O.R.M Club.
Hi, my name is Pierce. I'm the vice president of the W.O.R.M Club.
Our vision is to create a planet where using bioremediation products is normal. We believe that everybody has responsibility to save the planet, and we will do our best to be good example.
Our mission is to teach others and to create bioremediation products that are easily accessible to anyone who wants to help us save the planet one ball at a time.
It all starts right here.
We take our leftover food and decide which can go to the worms. Apples, lettuce, salad. And for the worms, the trash to treasure product is vermicast. So for the bokashi, we're putting away all the foods the worms can't eat. We're doing that so we can reduce the amount of food that we are wasting.
Let's save the planet one ball at a time.
This is bokashi. You can use this as a soil conditioner. You can kickstart your kitchen compost. And if you sprinkle some on your pet poop, it turns your pet poop into fertilizer instead of methane gas once it hits the landfill.
This is vermicast, also known as worm poop. It doesn't smell and it can be used as fertilizer in your indoor and outdoor plants.
This is our star product.
And this DIY kit can make these sludge terminating balls to clean places like the yellow one.
This DIY kit contains everything you need to make 4 to 6 balls.
This DIY kit is rated E for everyone.
And E for easy to use.
Ha! A nice one. Please join us and help save the planet one ball at a time.